Welcome to BMC Catalog Audit Batch Utility. IBM direction is to move to IMS Managed ACB by June 2025. At present, there is no utility to provide an audit report on the IMS Catalog database. Users can use the BMC Catalog Audit Batch utility, which is part of BMC Catalog Manager for IMS, to generate an audit report and an exceptions report, which are out of sync in the catalog database. Let's understand timestamps in catalog with these examples. Catalog database contains header records with active and pending timestamps. Members in Active Directory contain active timestamp, and members in Staging Directory contain the pending timestamp. In an idle scenario, active timestamp in catalog database should match with a timestamp in the Active Directory for all members. Similarly, pending timestamp in the catalog database should match with a timestamp in the Staging Directory for all members. Let's go through different types of exceptions in catalog. When the catalog database has a newer active timestamp than the Active Directory, then the member in Active Directory is obsolete. When catalog database has an older active timestamp than the Active Directory, then the member in Active Directory has an out-of-date header record. When catalog database has a newer pending timestamp than the Staging Directory, then the member in the Staging Directory is obsolete. When the catalog database has an older pending timestamp than the Staging Directory, then the member in the Staging Directory has an out-of-date header record. When there is no entry of a member in the Active or Staging Directory, but the member is present in the catalog database, then the member has an orphaned header record, and it is missing in the Active or Staging Directory. When there is no entry in catalog database, but present in Active Directory, then the member is orphaned in the Active Directory with a missing header record. When there is no entry in the catalog database, but the member is present in the Staging Directory, then the member is orphaned in the Staging Directory and has a missing header record. When there is no entry for member in the Active Directory, but it is present in the catalog database and the Staging Directory, then the member is missing in the Active Directory. Catalog audit job is invoked through DLIG-NTR with a command cat audit in plus and statements. Cat print is the DD name where exceptions reports are printed. EX only is the optional keyword defaulted to yes. When EX only equals yes, the job produces only an exceptions report. For EX only equals no, the job produces audit listing in addition. The exceptions report contains object name, object type, either DBD or PSB, and remarks where exceptions messages are printed. In case of obsolete or out-of-date header record exception types, along with exceptions message. Timestamps from catalog database and catalog directory, either active or staging, will be printed in IBM format as well as readable format as shown. Exception summary contains the counts of each exception and total number of exceptions from the IMS catalog. Audit listing prints timestamps from the catalog database and the Active and Staging Directory for all objects when EX only equals no. Also prints object summary with total counts of objects. Catalog audit batch job produces return codes as shown. This is a sample catalog audit batch job with cat print DD name and cat audit command. This is a sample exceptions report with exceptions messages printed. This is a sample exceptions summary report with exceptions counts printed. This is a sample catalog audit job with EX only equals no. This is a sample audit listing with timestamps for all objects. This is a sample object summary with total counts of objects from catalog database. Thank you.